Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and in this short video I am going to teach you how to create a Google Chrome logo within less than 1 minute. So let's quickly begin. So first of all I am going to import the image of Google Chrome logo. So let me just quickly open the file. So this is my Chrome image. As you can see, when I right click, it is showing me edit bitmap over here. Let me quickly resize my document as per the logo size. Now let me put this logo on the side. Now I'm going to use my ellipse tool. So take an ellipse and create a perfect circle over here. I'll keep it in the center using P short key. And now as you can see, my blue circle is ready. Now to create this white one, I will just make a copy of the same circle and I will increase the size. And for the outer circle, I will again make a copy of it using Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I will place it like this. Now my half of the work is already done. Now I need to create those lines over here. So using the 2-point line, I will just use the 2-point line, and one line I'll keep it over here. The other one I'll keep it over here. Third one I'll just make a 2-point and I'll make it from here. Now as you can see, some of the line is going out of the circle, so which I don't want. So what I can do is I can simply trim those line which is going outside the circle. So for that I am going to use my virtual segment delete tool option. When I click over here, whatever is coming out, I can simply drag on that and it will eliminate the extra part of it. Now using the Smart Fill, I am going to fill the same color which I have in the logo. I will go to the Smart Fill option over here. Now first of all I'll fill it with same color, and then using my eyedropper tool I will pick the color from here and put it over here. In a similar manner again I will pick the yellow and put it over here. Green I'll pick and drop. Blue I will pick from here and drop it on it. Now the last is my white. I will simple take my Smart Fill again. I don't need to use my Smart Fill. I have already applied Smart Fill to it. I'll simple apply white. Now I don't want the outline. I will simple select my object and remove my outline. So as you can see, I am able to create the same logo within less than a minute. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.